Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows 10 store is not connecting to the internet. So assuming you already have an internet connection and your web browser is working and everything and it's just the Windows store, this tutorial will be for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. Type in Windows PowerShell into the Start menu search, or Cortana, whichever you prefer to call it. Best match should come back a Windows PowerShell above Desktop App. Right click on it, left click Run as Administrator. When you receive a user account control window asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have this command pasted in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to this top bar of the Windows PowerShell window, right click on it one time, go down and left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once you've pasted it in, you want to hit Enter on your keyboard to run it. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. And I also want to note, if you see any red text, don't be concerned. It might just be an active process that's running in the background, so we can't run over it. It's completely fine. Don't be concerned about that. But it is going to take a couple minutes to run here, so just please be patient. Okay, so once you have the blinking cursor here, you guys are good to close out of here. Would recommend you guys restart your computer, hopefully resolve the problem. Now if it didn't, I will include a link in the description of the video for a Windows troubleshooting utility from Microsoft's website. You guys are more than welcome to try that out. So I do hope one of the methods works for you. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.